back to another Sway vlog, another day, well, nighttime now. But hey, man, anyways, I'm at In-N-Out right now. Comment down below, let me know what do y'all get from In-N-Out. I get the same thing. Obviously, you're about to find out what I get right now.
What's going on, man?
How's it going?
Can I eat, bro?
Can I get 2 double doubles with no onions?
You said grilled onions or no onions?
None.
Okay.
Pretty much plain, just the meat, cheese, and the spread.
Okay.
Even though I come with onions too. And then 1 animal style fries with no onions.
Okay.
And that's it.
No drink today?
Nah.
Okay.
Nah, but can I get it in a box with the lid?
Of course.
That's it.
So it's 2 double doubles, spread, meat, cheese only, animal fry, no onions?
Yeah.
Did you want like spread or anything on the side?
Yeah. Can I get like 6 of them?
Say it again?
6 of them?
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright, y'all, look, I'm at home and I know y'all haven't seen my Honda on the channel in forever, y'all. Fucking looks so good, but it just don't drive, man. Don't drive at all. It just looks like all it does is sit here. But I do start my car at least 1 time a day, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. The cold start is about to be so loud, y'all. Watch. That boy sound good, yo. And my tag's about to expire too. My tag's already expired. Damn. Well, I definitely can't drive this until. Oh, did y'all know? Look, my tags is $1,100. God damn, Nipsey, you trying to get me demonetized again? God, come on, Nip, don't do that to me, boy. Alright, y'all, this damn video is everywhere right now, but we got 3 Trackhawks. They got a red one, a black one, and a white one. They have a blue one up front, but that one is modified. I would never buy a already modified Trackhawk, especially with no fucking warranty, so that's a hell no. But they have this white one right here, and I love white cars. Ain't gonna lie, this one is, I think it's calling my name, man. I already had the Hellcat badge. I'm gonna take off that. That's it right there. I'm gonna leave this badge. It's going for $89. White. And I love white cars. They have a black one right here. They have a black one with the blackout package. This one is going for $93. I don't know about that price for a used one. And they have this red one. But I ain't gonna lie, this red is growing on me. But the wheels are trash as hell though. But this red, boy, I'm telling you, this red, I never liked red cars, but damn, this one right here, let's call them the name. This one is also 93. They had it for 87. They added the bullshit. It also has a blackout package too. I'm not gonna lie, man. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know, man, but that black is calling my name, man. That black and the white one is the one I actually do like, but they ain't gonna lie, this dealer for sure got Hellcat Durango for like $114. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. So I would go try to work out numbers, but there's no point because I'm not gonna buy one right now. I have to move first and get my Honda fixed, so there's no point of actually trying to go get one. They got this TRX right here with the light bar kit, and it doesn't have a step down, but it's all black. It's alright. You know me, I drive a TRX. I just like it's nothing. But they ain't gonna lie, they have a whole lot of shit here though. They have a lot of shit here. I ain't gonna lie. They have that weak ass Raptor next to the TRX. That's what they got. They have this orange Jeep right here. Ain't gonna lie. If I was ever buy a Jeep, it'll be a Wrangler, but exactly just like this, but I would just lift it. Track car is growing back on me ever since seeing one in actual person, man. I'm not gonna lie, bro. This white, bro. I hope y'all can hear me because the trash is anyway, but I'm not gonna lie, bro. This white, man. I love white cars with black accents or carbon. So this one is growing on me. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I just can't do it, bro. I really want the Benz, man. So then comment down below, let me know, man. C63S AMG or a Jeep Grand Cherokee track car. Those are the only two cars I really want. But my first option, I really want the Benz first. But I never drove the C63S though, AMG. So that's what I might have to do. So next video, some shit, I'm trying to find someone or a dealer that will let me drive the C63S AMG. I don't care if it's okay. Used one, obviously I don't give a fuck. I'm not buying a used one though. Maybe. Man, this is beautiful. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna leave before I make an impulsive decision.
All right. Sir, can you reach you back within the next 15 to 20 minutes? I need to check the exact, transmission ID on this.
Yeah.
Get you the price for it.
Okay, yeah, you can do that. That's fine.
All right, sir. No problem. Thank you. I'll be calling you back within the next 15 to 20 minutes.
All right, appreciate it. Yeah, I look good today, boy. Hey, man, how y'all doing? Shay Sway's back in the building. I'm gonna hop out and show y'all my fit, man, because, hey, my fit's always, I don't care whether I'm wearing a sweatsuit, some swimming trunks. Hey, man, I'm always try and match head to toe at all times. Because appearance, how you look, how you smell, how you talk, how you walk, how you appear to everyone is important, man. Well, it's important to me. Hygiene, all that is important to me, man. Because they ain't gonna lie. No, I'm told y'all like a few months ago, no woman want no steak, man. Ain't got nothing going on. So, hey, man. But anyways, look, y'all. Looking at another apartment again. So, I ain't gonna lie. I already been here before. I've been before, but I didn't film it. This was the first apartment I actually went to go check out when I had the Super. So it was probably like a month ago. And I actually, ain't gonna lie, this is probably my favorite one. But the one you guys seen in the first video, I did get approved for that. So that's an update for that. I did get approved. I have my moving date and all that already set. But I just wanted to come back here and just double back and see if this is also if this is the one. Cause it's these are the only two I like the most. Cause the other one, it has a full gym. I like it. They got 2 pools, luxury. It's very secure. This place, same thing, secure, got all that. But I don't know, man. The two I was looking at here again, cause I'm not gonna lie, bro. The layout here is actually perfect. It's everything's modern. You got marble countertop, nice ass floors, everything. So I'm finna go inside and see if I can go see what's up. See, I have the UNC 11 lows with the the Tiffany blue, the match with Tiffany blue. Then I got black short. But let's see, it's dark as hell. But let's see. This place is super quiet, so I'm super loud. But yeah, man, I'm about to walk to the leasing office right now and let's see what's up, man. This door closes right there. Pretty big closet. Double. They got a motherfucking mirror, see? Y'all, I think I'm going off science today, man. God is telling me, and yeah, just go to a place I gotta prove to, cause He's telling me something, man. I don't know what He's trying to tell me. God is telling me to go to the place I want because it has a nice gym, secure and everything like that. So He's telling me to go back over there. So that's where I'm finna head to. I'm finna go over there. See what else I have to do, because I do know I have to give them the first month and last month's rent, and then the security deposits. I know I gotta do that. Something else I have to give them. I forgot. But yeah, I'm about to go over there, man, because I don't know. God telling me to do something, man. But anyways, I have a new comment video. If you haven't already, man, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already, if you are new to the channel. And if you haven't already, follow my Instagram. It is Sway motherfucking Media. It's not that, but my Instagram is Sway Media _. So follow me on Instagram. I'm trying to reach 20K. I'm just shy, man. I'm just shy of 20K, man, because I'm about to hit 22,000 on YouTube. But y'all motherfuckers tripping, man. I'm like, I think as of now I got like 21,800. Ain't gonna lie, that's a lot of people. That's 22,000 people. 22,000 people. You know how much that is? Like, let's go and think of it. Like, not even, let me see. Like, almost, yeah, a year ago, I had only like 300 subscribers. Now in a year, I'm telling y'all, man, people who ask me for advice, they need to fucking listen, man. Look, I told your ass, record on your phone, start YouTube on your phone. Even though I have three cameras, most of my videos is filmed on my phone because I don't actually like carrying a big ass camera around. A phone is easier. It's more like not standoutish compared to like the public eye. But I don't mind vlogging public more. Hey man, I'm a real nigga now. Well, I've been a real nigga, but in terms of like, oh, this is where I dropped off my Honda the first time. Oh wow, damn, everything over here, shit. Damn, what the hell? That's crazy. But anyways, yeah, I forgot what I was saying. Yeah, the people need to start listening to me, man, for advice. Because a year ago, I had 300 subscribers. Now I am at pretty much 22,000, man. If you want to start YouTube, do it now. Start it. They pay good. And because I'm about to start, well, I'll tell you, once I move, I'm changing everything. I'm about to start gaming. I'm about to tap into everything I can tap into when it comes down to money, but legal money. I only want legal money. I don't want no illegal money now. I'm not doing that. I need, and I want, and I like having legal money. It's the best feeling ever, man. I'm not gonna lie, but shit. Got 14 minutes left. That's not too far. Only got 14 minutes.
I'm tryna fuck you, baby. Hopefully we don't have nothing, baby. I don't even wanna go back home. Hopefully you don't leave my home. Before I die, I'm tryna fuck you, baby. Hopefully